The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Beltrami County until 8:45 p.m. At 7:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Upper Red Lake, or 51 miles north of Bemidji, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kelliher, Upper Red Lake, Washkish, Otto, Shotley, and Big Bog. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. For north central Minnesota,